Welcome everyone back. In today's episode we have some spectacular compilations of cracks and adjustments, with the most beautiful women for you, men of culture. Links to YouTube channels will be in the description. Let's start.
Mas acho que esse a gente nunca soltou.
Não faz movimento de trazer a flexão aqui. Então, tá puxando aqui?
Na verdade, esse lado aqui ele puxa, mas eu acho que é por causa do glúteo, sabe?
Eu acho que vou fazer essa parte de baixo e depois eu faço.
Acho que essa coisa não tô tão ferrada aí. Tá bem mesmo. Agora puxou aqui, ó.
Já.
Ai, eu já vim feliz da vida achando que não ia precisar.
Um sorriso?
Não, mas eu tô pensando que esse lado... Aqui.
Vamos pra frente. Ó, a agulha não tá entrando, ó.
Saiu sangue. Obrigado. Nossa. Voltar para os Estados
Or 3 weeks ago, I moved my massage table, and maybe I did something wrong. I feel not comfortable in my lower back.
If you bend forward, any pain with that?
No, but sometimes I feel not pain, something wrong, like something changed, you know.
I'm gonna have you lay face down on the table.
Now I know what face down means.
Just right through here is just a little bit raised up compared to the left side.
Do you like the sound of cracks, Dr. Joseph?
I do.
Really?
I do. Let me have you raise your right leg up.
Okay.
Any pain with that?
No.
Good. Any pain with that?
No.
Good. And down. Good. There we go. And then lean back. Squeeze your elbows together. Tighter. Good. And relax. You can let your arms just rest. Good.
very good.
How's because I know it's really just that low back. How's that feel now?
It feels really good.
Good.
I think
What are you
I
feeling?
It's right up in here. It's constant pain every day. And if you feel right up in there, there's a little bulge right up in there. And some days it can be very bad up in here.
Dang. You know, it's not the worst, but I mean, you can definitely tell that curve right in through here is a little bit more pronounced. Lay face down on the table for me. I know, like you said, you're feeling it a lot coming through here, coming
right
up,
in there.
coming down, coming up this way. Let me know if there's any pain or tenderness with any of this while I go down.
Yes. Oh, God.
Take a deep breath in. One more time, deep breath in and out. There it was. Going this way.
Oh, yeah. I heard that.
Yeah, we gotta get up and under that scapula. One more. There. Go face down again for me. Lumbar spine here. Take a deep breath in and out. Yeah, so with this, we're gonna decompress the spine.
Oh, yeah. I felt that. Felt some relief, I tell you that.
Good.
Yeah, it moved a lot.
Good there. There we go.
Yeah. I don't feel no sharp pains. Not like I was coming up here just a while ago.
Yeah, yeah.
Really.